Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Moto Madness. Today's is a good one, so sit back and enjoy. In this case, the biker's passenger takes a hit to the head after being rear-ended by the car. Fortunately, she was wearing a good helmet, and the situation is not as bad as it could have been.
Jesi ti dobro, meni je to najvažnije.
Dobro, stvarno. Hoćeš da odemo do...
With the biker and passenger unharmed, they were able to ride from the scene and continue about their business. Downtown Calgary, Alberta.
You almost killed me, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Man.
Sorry for the this.
That scared the shit out of me. Just, hey man, just watch where you're going, eh?
Sorry, man.
Okay, I'm gonna go in front of you, okay? I'm gonna go in front of you.
Okay, yeah,
Okay, just watch, man. That scared me, dude.
Canadians, even when put in difficult situations, they can't help but be nice, something we can all learn from. Here's something you normally wouldn't expect to encounter every day.
What the hell?
The old Massey Ferguson. Looks like this guy seriously tried to skid on out of there and took a dive.
¿Estás bien, tío?
Sí, sí.
¿Seguro?
Sí, sí. No sé qué le ha pasado, macho. Se me ha embriagado.
¿Sí? ¿Vamos?
Vamos allá.
¿Todo correcto? ¿Brazos, todo? ¿Seguro? Vale, tío.
Se me ha embriagado.
Buen fin de, cuídate mucho, tío.
Sí, que no pasa nada.
Sí. Are you f***ing kidding me?
This was the third time the biker had been pulled over by the same cop.
How you doing?
Hi there, the camera's on.
Okay.
There's a pocket to your speed.
Okay.
You're racing that car.
Oh, I was?
Yeah.
I kind of gave it a little throttle, but
Don't BS.
I'm not, but you decided to go for me instead of the car.
Well, I was actually going to go for you before when you zipped around the car at the intersection there at 6th and A or 7th and A.
Okay.
Saw that too.
I mean, the guy wasn't going at the light, so I was, I mean.
And the way you did it was not proper, and you know that. So.
Okay.
Mary 43862.
Do you mind if I dismount?
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
You want to grab me your stuff as well?
Yeah, I do have a firearm in my backpack,
Okay.
so I do have my registration in there too. So I don't know if you want to go for it or I should.
Where's your license and stuff?
My license is in my back pocket.
Okay.
I don't have a copy of my insurance on me, but I do have it.
Okay.
It's completely registered, everything like that.
Okay.
So.
I'll just take your DL.
Okay.
Driver's license,
All right.
and
Cool.
we'll go with that.
Cool if I get off.
Yep.
Okay.
You have a concealed weapons permit?
No.
Well, you have your gun in your backpack then, concealed.
Because I was coming to work and I just didn't put it at home, so. Can I take my gloves off?
That's fine. You can't carry a gun concealed unless you have a concealed weapons permit.
Wait, and even if it's in my backpack? Like if I don't have a trunk or anything?
Well, you still shouldn't be carrying a concealed weapon.
Okay.
Okay, sit tight for me. I'll be right back.
Okay.
A few moments later.
All right. So you're being issued a citation for speed racing. On the back side of the citation are 4 options. Pick one of those 4 options. Fit you best. Take care of by the 13th of July, 8:30 a.m. Josephine County Courthouse.
Okay, and when you say speed racing, like is that, what does that mean? Like as far as
Basically, you accelerated at a high rate of speed to pass another vehicle on the highway.
okay. Is that like reckless driving or anything?
It's a speed racing. It's
Okay.
it's a separate statute all on its own.
Okay.
So, and you can get that for taking off like you do from a stoplight.
Okay.
That's at a high rate of speed. That's speed racing as well, even though you're not necessarily speeding or racing another vehicle.
Right.
It fits under the speed racing statute as well.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. You need to.
I know this is the 3rd time we've
Yeah, you
spoken.
need to fix something.
I got the plate
about,
though.
You did. Yes, you did.
All right.
But you got to fix your riding.
All right.
I mean,
No, you're
gonna
right.
get yourself in trouble even more than you are,
Right.
and you're gonna hurt somebody or yourself.
Right. No, you're right.
So you need to take a look at how you're riding this thing and what you're doing, and make some changes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Officer Moore,
All right,
thank you.
questions?
No, thank you. Thank you.
The biker received a fine for $440, which he intends to dispute. All right, time for some close calls. These next few clips speak for themselves. Pieface was so excited to be able to overtake his friend, not realizing he was actually slowing down for a roundabout further ahead. Just imagine, had traffic been coming the other way, this biker's ride out may well have been his last.
I was holding it, dude. Just slow down. Wait for me, I got little legs! Oh!
It appears the biker on the Suzuki GSXR 1000 wasn't expecting the others to pull over.
Oh no! I have no idea. I think he braked into him.
I had the blinker on.
Yep. Ugh. How are you? Are you okay? Are you okay? We're good. We're good. How bad is it? Is it all basically cosmetics or?
All of the riders were okay. The bikes were deemed repairable. Mistakes happen, and at the end of the day, the bikers were all just happy to walk away unharmed. Until next time, folks, thank you all for watching.